If you want to speak English with confidence, you must learn polite English. Polite English helps you sound respectful. Polite English helps you sound calm. Polite English helps people listen to you. Today, you will learn 5 polite English sentences that Americans use every day. These sentences are simple. They are natural. They are perfect for beginners. Let's begin. Welcome to Speak English with Confidence. In this lesson, you will learn 5 polite English sentences that you can use in daily life. You can use these sentences at work, in stores, on the street, and in conversations. Take your time. Listen carefully. Repeat slowly. Sentence number 1. Could you help me, please? This sentence is very important. It is polite, it is respectful, it sounds kind. Americans use this sentence every day. You use this sentence when you need help. You can use it with strangers, with co-workers, and with friends. Example: could you help me, please? This sounds polite. Here are more examples. Could you help me, please, with this bag? Could you help me, please, find this address? Could you help me, please, understand this form? You can say it slowly. You can say it calmly. Could you help me, please? This sentence makes people want to help you. Now repeat after me. Could you help me, please? Again. Could you help me, please? Good. Sentence number 2. May I ask you a question? This sentence is polite. It shows respect. You use this sentence before asking something important. Americans like this sentence because it sounds gentle. Example: may I ask you a question? Here are more examples. May I ask you a question about this job? May I ask you a question about the schedule? May I ask you a question, please? You do not sound rude. You do not sound demanding. You sound respectful. Now, repeat after me. May I ask you a question? Again. May I ask you a question? Good. Sentence number 3. That's okay. This sentence is very common in America. You use it when something is not a problem. Example: sorry, I'm late. That's okay. Here are more examples. Sorry about that. That's okay. I made a mistake. That's okay. This sentence sounds friendly. It shows understanding. Americans use it at work, with friends, and with family. Now, repeat after me. That's okay. Again, that's okay. Good. Sentence number 4. I understand. This sentence shows listening. This sentence shows respect. You use it when someone explains something to you. Example: the meeting starts at 9. I understand. Here are more examples. Please follow these steps. I understand. This is how the system works. I understand. This sentence makes people feel heard. Now repeat after me. I understand. Again. I understand. Good. Sentence number 5. I'll think about it. This sentence is very important in American culture. You use it when you do not want to say yes or no immediately. It sounds polite. It sounds calm. Example: do you want to join us tomorrow? I'll think about it. Here are more examples. Can you work this weekend? I'll think about it. Would you like to buy this today? I'll think about it. This sentence gives you time. Now, repeat after me. I'll think about it. Again. I'll think about it. Good. Review time. Let's review the 5 sentences. Could you help me, please? May I ask you a question? That's okay. I understand. I'll think about it. Practice together. Repeat after me slowly. Could you help me, please? May I ask you a question? That's okay. I understand. I'll think about it. Again. Could you help me, please? May I ask you a question? That's okay. I understand. I'll think about it. Practice in daily life. Use these sentences today. Use them at work. Use them in stores. Use them with friends. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Be confident. Polite English helps you sound confident. Polite English helps people respect you. Practice every day. Thank you for learning with Speak English with Confidence. Subscribe for more simple English lessons.